The first ever blizzard of 2011 tug of war. And you see we've lined up, we've got the polar bear, a snowman. This was supposed to be a groundhog. It turned out just to be a red dog. And of course it wouldn't be a tug of war without a shark.
With a tail.
Shark with a tail. Shark with the tail. I think that we may have gotten the costumes mixed up thanks to our friends at Fantasy Costumes. So let's see who's going to be the big winner. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go! Here we go.
Oh, this is suspenseful. Uh-oh.
He's going to lose his head.
Snowman, for the love of God, the snowman has lost her head.
Oh, no.
The humanity. Oh, fantastic. A fantastic job, and I didn't even have to fall in the snow for any of it. I just feel like I need